Hey YouTube, some of you guys may have this issue with your E90 or E92 BMW. Your aux cable jack has fallen into the center console and you have no way to get it out. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so first things first, go to the back seat and you see here we're at the little air vent area. Down here you may notice this has some wiggle to it, but basically you just kind of pop it off this little piece here. Just very gently. Be careful with it, you don't want to break any tabs, so just give me a second. I'm going to put my camera down and do that. So this just very gently, I wiggled it off. You can see that tab there on the end there is a little bit tough, but just remove that and place it down. And then you'll see a bunch of wires. So you'll notice this wire right here has 4 leads going into it, and there's 2 things clipped together. Go ahead and split these 2 apart. Right here you'll see the air vent area. If you go ahead and pull on this, you can sort of wiggle it out a little bit and get some room. Just make sure you remove your aux cable from up here so you can remove the port. We're going to pull it out through here basically. Okay guys, so here's the one end of the wire, here's the other end, and you'll see this whole big thing comes out. Here's our aux port. This cable is also part of the aux. You'll see it wired up. Just push down on this little tab right here and just separate these 2 and our aux will be completely separate. All right, so one thing you'll notice is these metal tabs on the side. Mine were pretty pushed in. I've just kind of taken my finger and wiggled them back out a little bit so that this has a little more strength to hold into the little port that this is going to sit into. This should help keep it in place a little bit stronger. Okay, I'm starting to feed the port back through. I have the wires going through there. I've made sure to get my cables over here to pull this through. And then just go right ahead and continue feeding this right into your center console. There you go. You can see it's a little crooked, but it's pretty securely in place now. I'm pushing it with my thumb. Doesn't want to go in, and that's what we're looking for. So now you just got to reconnect your wires, and you're good to go. All right, guys, I've got my air vent tucked all the way back in. I've just taken my cables, snapped them together, just kind of tucked them under here, and now you go ahead. You put on your vent and you should be good. I think the center console needs to be closed for this part. Let me do this with 2 hands. And there you go. I've got it all clipped together now. I just needed 2 hands to do that. Let's test it out. Test out the aux port. And it works. All good. If this video was helpful for you guys fixing your aux port on your car, please be sure to give this video a like. Comment if you guys have any ideas to make it easier for other people watching in the future. And please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be making a lot more videos with this beautiful 2011 E90 M3. You can go watch my video right now showing off the car and why it's a really special spec. This car has 0 options. So thank you guys again very much for watching. Take care.